Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to video call on Telegram, and now let's dive right in. Now to video call on Telegram, first open up your Telegram app. After opening your Telegram app, guys, open the chat box of the person to whom you want to video call. So let's open the chat box. And after opening the chat box, guys, at the top right corner of the screen, you can see there's a three dotted icon available for us at the top right. Tap on that three dotted icon at the top right corner of the screen, and the video call button will be available for us over here just below the mute button. Tap on the video call button to initiate a video call, and the video call will be initiated like this, guys. Now if that person picks it up, your video call will go through. So I'll not be doing that, guys. That person won't be picking up the call because that's my another account. And with that being said, guys, this is how you will be able to video call someone on Telegram. And guys, this is how to video call someone on Telegram. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.